Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair a plastic body panel. This is going to be on a Kubota ZD326S, but this also works for a car, which I'm going to show you a photo of a car we had to do for my son on the front air dam. He has something, so we fix it with the same thing. In this video, you're going to notice we use simple tools, drill, and wire ties. Let's get started. You may be wondering, well, why would you even waste your time putting this piece back on? Well, I want to show you why. I have two little kids, and as you can see, just underneath this plastic piece, that's the flywheel from the engine. And I don't want the kids to accidentally get in that. All right, here's the piece that broke off. My wife hit a tree while trying to mow. She has a gardening channel on YouTube called Honeysuckle Home, and I get to fix it. So first we have to look this over. You can see it fits nicely, but it did crack right here. So before I put it on here and fix it, I need to make sure that this piece doesn't crack. So I'm going to do the first drilling here and here. We're going to make a hole directly across the crack from each other, just like that. Go push the wire tie through. You can set it on where the piece that clamps down is on either side. In this case, I'm going to do it this way. Just pull it tight. Now you can see the crack closed up. I could do an extra, and I may still do an extra, but right now I'm going to see how many wire ties I'm going to need. One tool I didn't mention is the wire cutters. Just use wire cutters. Clip it off. There you go. Now I'm going to get started putting all the rest of it together. Now we're going to go the opposite side. As you can see, the crack lines up very well. So this one here is a pretty easy job, and usually on a car when you break one, it's pretty easy as well. And you can see the original wire tie we put on before we started this portion. So there's the crack we're going to be working with. So I'm going to put one here to here, and then here to here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting a wire tie through. Making sure that it's aimed the correct direction towards the crack. So now we got to push these through the holes on the opposite side that match. So I'm going to start, this one goes here, and then pull it through. It don't have to be tight yet. I'll try to keep my hands out of the way. Okay, there's that one. And again, the thing that holds the wire tie has got to be aimed towards the crack. So there's that section. Now I'm going to go to the opposite side and do the other. Okay, this side's a little easier to see. Push that through. Oh, that one fell. Then push it through the other side. Sometimes it's a little crowded, so you have to pre-bend them. There it goes. There's one. I'm gonna pre-bend this one a little bit too. I've got all of them pushed through. Now I can start moving it into place. Pull them as you go. The crack closing up. This is loose right here. I'm going to put some wire ties in this into the metal just to hold it up, since these tabs here broke off as well. I'm going to be using a different size wire tie, so I'm going to change drill bit sizes. So I'm just holding up the wire tie in front of the drill bits and determining which size to use. I don't want a hole any bigger than I need. So I'm gonna use the 7/64, so that looks like a good match. It still has a tab over here, so I'm gonna put one here, here, and here. Pull it tight. That's one of them. I broke that one. So don't pull it that tight, obviously. These are pretty small. There we go. I sure can. Give me 1 second. And me, just like everyone else, you have outside distractions that try to call you away from your work. And the baby girl is one of them. But she's precious. Yes, yes you are.
I bought this wreath with you today.
Okay. All right. That's it. I'm going to go help her, and then I'm going to finish this up. There you go. That's all you have to do. Got our wire ties here that help hold it to this heat shield. That's how you make your stuff look like it's from a Tim Burton movie.